Heavy ordnance in vicinity.
You heard?
Poe, we can't leave empty-handed. Take out those drones so we can pursue tail.
Wherever you point the laser, the rocket falls. Nice! They're dropping like flies.
Keep going, Poe. We can still rescue Loeb.
Ammunition depleted.
Tail, I've lost connection to the drone. Break formation and circle back to the Kalama building.
Ha! Not even a...
Yes! Direct hit!
You're not worth the firepower! Strike team! Clean them up!
Strike team inbound.
All units! Evacuate the helipad now! That robot's mine! Damn you! Don't you know what we've sacrificed? No! You confounded the machine! Strike team! Destroy Espire!
You've got 2 strike teams coming your way.
Strike team inbound. Damage received.
Any intruders, shoot on sight.
Rooftop units are to evacuate immediately. Unless you'd like to share your grave with Espire.
Tail and reinforced.
Gunship integrity below 40%.
Well done, Poe. OPHIS just
Strike team inbound.
OPHIS forces, don't lose Espire. Hunt them down.
Wait, collect that metal debris dropped by Tail's gunship. Loeb's gone, but this might give us a lead.
Skyhook engaging.
Espire is on the skyhook back home. Great job, Poe.
Heavy ordnance in vicinity.
You heard I.
Poe, we can't leave empty-handed. Take out those drones so we can pursue Tail.
Wherever you point the laser, the rocket follows. Give it a shot. Nice! They're dropping like flies.
Keep going, Poe. We can still rescue Loeb.
Tail, I've lost connection to the drone. Break formation and circle back to the Kalama building.
Ha! Not even a scratch. I'll turn you into a pile of melted metal.
That gunship's pilot is Tail, the OPHIS commander who specializes in air combat. She's bombed countless cities. Let's...
Strike team inbound.
Find and eliminate them.
now. That robot's mine. Damn you! Don't you know? No! You confounded the machine! Strike team! Destroy Espire!
You've got 2 strike teams coming your way.
Strike team inbound.
All units, we're calling off the search. Return to your posts and remain on high alert.
Hello?
Rooftop units are to evacuate immediately. Unless you'd like to share your grave with Espire.
Tail and reinforcements inbound.
I'm going to put your metal head on my wall.
Strike team inbound. Gunship integrity below 40%.
You'll regret that, stupid robot!
Well done, Poe. OPHIS just lost another commander.
Sending in the skyhook.
All units, where is the intruder? Pursue any leads and take them down.
Wait, collect that metal debris dropped by Tail's gunship. Loeb's gone, but this might give us a lead.
Skyhook engaging.
Just like old times. Good work, Poe.
Commencing debriefing. Operation Sky High.
Would someone like to explain to me what just happened?
A minor miscalculation, but we successfully confirmed the slam's payload.
That's putting it kindly. Our shareholders feel differently.
Wait, that recording module? You've been broadcasting this entire time?
Now, those shareholders need to know where their money is going. They are the sole reason you all have work.
Right, we're just entertainment for the richest people on the planet.
No. No. It's so much more than
I look into eyes, Colonel. Not quite sure what she's doing.
that. Just drop it. The slam launches in 4 days. Tell me we have a lead.
Poe collected that debris. Could be something.
Use eyes. Get me results.